Thank you, sir. That I'm very pleased that I joined it. Let me tell you, I was suffering from coughing for nearly 2.5 years. In that coughing, I should tell you that I have got relief up to say 80 to 90% of relief in that coughing. Another relief that I got, uncalled for, I hope, because I never mentioned it. I never thought that that will be helped. I had developed nearly 1.5 months back some sacroiliac joint problem, and I was unable to stand even for a minute or two. After doing this for this week only, for last 2 days or 3 days, I feel that after doing it in the morning session, the whole thing, I feel a little better and I can walk a little better. And the pain has subsided. So that is a great relief, and I'm very thankful, and I thank myself for being able to select this course and join you.